Some laws around the world are completely insane. In Thailand, leaving home without underwear is technically illegal. Yeah, somehow that became a real law. In Switzerland, you can't own just one guinea pig. The country considers it cruel because they get lonely. In the UK, suspiciously handling salmon is illegal. Nobody even knows what that means anymore. In Singapore, forgetting to flush a public toilet can get you fined. And in Germany, escaping prison isn't technically illegal because the law considers freedom a human instinct. The world is way stranger than people think.